Aloha from the Big Island. I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School. I've gotten lots of requests recently for more content and longer classes, and I've heard you, and I'm so excited to announce that I'm offering a new membership model here on YouTube. It'll consist of 3 different tiers. The first I'm calling Mini Chill. You'll get an exclusive mini meditation each month to help you find zen and balance in your busy life. The second I'm calling Curious Yogi. You'll get the mini meditation plus 1 pose breakdown, and these are the pose breakdowns that we use in our yoga teacher training programs, so they're super in-depth and thorough. We look at alignment, anatomy, modifications, mythology, Sanskrit, and a lot more. And then the third I'm calling Dig Deeper, and this is for those of you who are requesting longer classes, more in-depth classes, arm balances, inversions, also focusing on specific body parts. You'll get the mini meditation, plus the pose breakdown, plus that longer class every month. So if you're interested, click on the membership button. I'll include all the instructions below, or feel free to email me with any questions. helen@floatingyogaschool.com. And as always, I appreciate your support, your practice, and sharing this yoga with me and with the rest of the world. Have a lovely week.